What is going on, everybody? Ordinary Randy here, and today we are going to be doing fire pit part 2. So to start off with, I got to get rid of all that right there. Had to move it so that the lawn could be cut, but let's start. Now the goal of this video is just gonna be try to flatten this out and figure out what to do with the water. I don't know what I'm gonna do when it rains, when this is complete. So if you have any suggestions, put them down below in the comment section. Yeah, you can see how murky it is. So here's just that, it's pretty dry here, but then over here it's all murky. Poke it with a stick. Look at that. That's no fun. So we'll figure out what to do. Well, this thing was stubborn, but I think I might have fucked up. I think doing that might have fucked up the ground. I'll show you. There's that big gap right there, and the ground's cracked right where the grass is. So I'm gonna fill that in with some mud, some of that stuff right there. See if that'll help keep it stable.
What are you waiting for, you dumb, stupid fuck?
Okay, my hands are still dirty, but fuck it, I can clean my phone whenever. I think I'm flying a little too close to the sun here. I dug out this big old rock, and this came up. All that. And it smells like a septic tank. It smells putrid. It smells like shit. So I think we'll just level it off from here. I wanted to make it deeper. I know I said I'm gonna level it off, but I was planning on making it deeper than leveling it off. But if I keep hitting this, at some point I'm gonna hit the pipes, and then all our shit's gonna go on our lawn. Great for the grass, but not great for smell. So let's level it off and then go from there. Still gonna take out this rock though. tools ain't just for digging, it's also for cleaning. Let me show you up close. Look at that, coming on right off.
Hey, stop! That's gay!
Don't think this is the wrong way. If you are, you're dirty.
Why are you gay?
Look, good as new.
Such a dirty girl.
All right, so I only worked on that for about half an hour, but I'm gonna leave it as is because there is a lumpy spot in the middle, right through there. Show you a good angle, should be a good angle. You can see it comes up, but that's where the water is. And when I step on it, it wants to come up a little bit. So it's a little tender. I'll let it dry up next couple days. It shouldn't rain here the next couple days, so it should be dried up. And from there, I'm thinking I want to concrete that. Now, it's not how I envisioned it. So this side's a lot deeper than that side, as I expected, as I kind of wanted, but that's not as deep as I wanted it, but that's all right. I do plan on putting concrete, a thin layer of concrete. I have someone help me because I don't know how to do it myself, but honestly, it's pretty good. I'll just put all the fire stuff here, and right there, I'm gonna stack up the bricks higher than on this side since an incline, and it'll prevent as much as I can with fire and ambers floating away that way. Leave a comment down below what I should do so that rain doesn't get in here and stay in here and stay flooded. Some people might say a tarp, but the rain is gonna come down. It's gonna come down like that since we're at a hill. So I need something to stop that. But if you enjoy the video, leave a like and comment down below. If you didn't enjoy the video, leave a dislike and comment down below what you think I can do to improve. And if you made it this far in the video, might as well subscribe. It really helps out to support the channel. Other than that, have a great day.